Hello, this is Jeff Racy. I'm here today to give you another Pixie of 2021 haircut with the X Tai Chi scissors. So, this is our beautiful model. Her name is Kim. Is she laughing? No. Okay, she's smiling. She's a very nice lady. I always use the lots of Kim because the hair is 100% human hair. And I can do whatever I want. Looks like you have a real model on your chair and you're doing the haircut. So, what I'm planning to do for my beautiful model, I'm going to do a nice pixie V shape for her. So what does it mean is, from the eyebrow, you section, this is your first sectioning. You comb everything to that size. Then you have one of those clips, as you know, goes right here with a magnet. And then opposite. Keep the hair down. From up to down. You create from the inside, short to long. From short to long. You create a nice deep texture for the bangs. So now, hold it like this. Please take a look at it. When you use the X Tai Chi, you create it as you go. You could do many things, really many things. The way you use it, you have to make sure. That's what I like about my technique. It's a technique. It's not the style. I teach you one haircut. You could create with the technique I teach you how you can create a beautiful pixie or long or short, many different styles. Then I need to create more texture. Then I go like this. I create more. I hope the camera can see all the details of I'm doing here. You could create a beautiful texture, incising. And remember who they learn from me, the Tai Chi technique. Please never stand on your 2 feet. Always play with the Tai Chi. You can create a little bit more deep. Okay. So for the finishing, always remember after you dry the hair, it's so hard when there is no mirror in front of you to do it. It's really hard. I'm sure you know, understand. So after you did it with the heat, make sure put it on the cool bottom and then do the finishing of the fun part. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a final of another Pixie of 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost done with our beautiful model, Mrs. Kim. Thank you so much, Mrs. Kim, to be in my model today. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have our gorgeous, beautiful model, Miss Kim. And you can see how beautiful we did a pixie of the texturizing for the 2021. That's a new pixie haircut. And as you could see how nicely blended, and you go and you could style it many different ways. I just want to make sure you see all the texture I did. So gorgeous. The way, if you remember, I twisted here and I texturize it, it makes it a big difference. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my beautiful model, Miss Kim. And as you could see, all the texture and the style of 2021, Miss Kim. I want to thank you, Miss Kim. I want to thank you to my ex Tai Chi. Why? Because it just eliminated the time. Can you imagine if I was planning to do this kind of haircut with the regular traditional scissors, how much time it will take? It takes a lot of time, ladies and gentlemen. You are the artist. I'm talking about you. Yes, you are the one you watching my video. You are the real artist. Please try with your traditional scissors. See how much time it takes to create a beautiful texture like this. But with my X Tai Chi, try it just one time. I guarantee you, I promise you, you're gonna be in love with the X Tai Chi. Because it's just so fast, convenient, and you have a multiple different option. Please follow me at the Instagram, Facebook, Jeff Reisi, JEFFREIISI, and from JR, which is Jeff Reisi. I want to thank you for all of you who was watching my video and supporting me. I want to thank you for my team, JR team, all around the world, supporting JR, working hard non-stop to make that happen. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned for the next model coming soon.